Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Market Beast edition. As our fellow compadre speaking, we have to get right into these charts. I want to make a really quick video of a bunch of stocks that you need to take into consideration. The only thing that you need to do at this time, hopefully I left a link so that you can actually search for the stocks on the channel so that you can go back to the video and listen to the previous level of resistance. That is the only thing that I'm doing right now, and all of these stocks that we're about to go over. If you're new, just joining us, we normally do an intro, but no time for the intro. What I'm gonna do is start with NEO. So there's really nothing for me to say about NEO. Here's the lines. NEO Perma Bulls. Hopefully you guys visited aisle 10. I don't even know what to say to you. I'm going to go ahead and carry on and skip NEO. I'm not sure what to say about NEO. I've already said what I said about NEO, and it's not going to change. So, yeah, Perma Bulls, go ahead. Whatever you want to say, go ahead. All right, so CBAT, I actually want to do a separate video. So you're going to see this I've never showed on the channel just yet. I've been patiently waiting to enter Cbat, and I think my patience is going to pay off. I'm going to leave this for a separate video, but what I will leave you with is this symmetrical triangle that I've been paying attention to. The lower line is at like $6.12. It appears it's getting below that line. So this is something I'll be monitoring all day today. So that's the level for Cbat and GEVO. We got a few requests for this. We've been following GEVO. This is the line. It was range bound. Okay, the green line. I'm just reiterating. I've already gone over this on the videos, but I'll just kind of give everyone a briefing. I know everyone wants an update. 1165 is below 1165 right now. The position of strength would have been above 1165. Can it get back above that level? I think so. Is it going to? I'm not sure. I'm not invested in GEVO or however you pronounce this. It would be in a large range up all the way up to 2467. We already explained that. If it's below 1165, I guess I'll go ahead and give you the range. Oof. Remember, do not take this. All I'm doing right now is going over the previous level of resistance. You guys know I do not know or care what these stocks are. I know that sounds harsh, but I have to talk that way because I want everyone to understand. Do not listen. I know we make a lot of good calls, and a lot of these calls we get wrong as well. And I want people to just truly be responsible out here, listening to some guy who makes like jokes on YouTube about stocks. Don't use this as financial advice. Here's a previous level of resistance, $4.80. I'm not saying it's going to get that low, but if it gets that low, don't ask me what's going on. It's in a very large range. If it's staying below 1165, it's in a very large range. 1165 all the way down to 480. Let's go ahead and carry on here. EMAN is next. We are invested in this stock. We recently had our contracts expire. It's in a very large range. We've already went over this on our very first video that we went over. $4.33. It literally, people think I'm just like random with these levels. Dude, I had this line on the chart. Hopefully I left a link for the video. I had this line on the chart before the price went up at $4.33. When the price was when it was below $2.35, we had this line on the chart. And these are weekly candles. It came up like, just look at the bodies. Like you can't even close. I can't make that up. Check the video so you know I'm just not spewing out lies, just making it seem like I'm some genius. I'm not a genius, guys. All I'm doing is finding support and resistance. So you have the range for EMAN, $2.35 all the way up to $4.33. Let's go ahead and carry on here. Fubo TV. Now Fubo TV appears that it's under some pressure. Now Fubo was supposed to stay above. We said this on our video as well, that it is in preparation to move to the upside. Yes, but the only thing it needs to do is stay above $39.40. We were very specific about that. Yeah, whether we had a bullish tone or not, we gave you the level that it must stay above in order to continue the trajectory to the upside. And right now it appears that it is being compromised. Understand that when the market is under pressure, this is not set in stone until the daily or not the daily. I don't take the daily that much into consideration. The two time frames that I take more into consideration while everybody's looking at the darn 1 hour and 2 minute candle. That's so weird. I pay attention to the 3-day candle close and the weekly candle close. This is why I'm always able to see the markets in terms of where they would go before it actually happens. Guys, this is the video that we posted February the 20th, 2021. It was over the weekend. Will the markets pull back next week? This is not random. When I say stuff like that, it's never random. We've seen this coming. We fully equipped ourselves with insurance policies on Friday before the markets close. That's why we posted the video on Saturday. I know, guys, I need to get some sort of, whatever it is, like a Twitter or a Facebook or something, guys. I'm old school. I don't care about that stuff. All right. So I don't know how to set it up. All right. But Fubo TV is back below $40. It needs to close above $40. Let's see. These are the weekly candles. So it still has 3 days and 7 hours to close. So what is that? Let's pull up the 3-day here. Spend a little bit too much time on Fubo. So the 3-day has about 1 day and 7 hours. So that translates over to, I think it's like the 25th, Thursday of this week. So if it's not back above $40 before this week, then I would raise an eyebrow about Fubo TV. We'll be back within the range that we already discussed. Back below, well, it'll be above this potential bullish consolidation range, which is at like $30. Please watch the videos, guys. Seriously, please go back and listen to the videos and just take note of the levels. We have to carry on, guys. RESN, we are invested in this stock. It's perfectly confined within a very interesting range, whether it's large or not. It's $5.56. We went over this on our previous video, all the way up to $8.53. I am not selling my contract until it reaches $11.92. So if you're going to ask me what is the update, have I sold? I'm not selling my contract. I will hedge against myself. I'm probably not going to do it now because it's too late. I think it's too late. It's just my opinion. I'm not selling my contracts until it reaches $11.92. Unfortunately, I do not have a time frame as far as how long it would take for this to take place. But just understand, if you're going to ask if you need an update on RESN, I don't really have much of an update. I've already done very extensive research to determine the direction of this market. I'm not selling until it gets to $11.92. Let's carry on here. You have the range, the green line and the blue line. Please rewind it back and respect my time. All right, so BBI, Brickle Biotech Inc. All right, so it appears that the level that I wanted to stay above was $1.35. It did not stay above that. Well, at least for now, it is below that level. Remember what I pay attention to: the 3-day close and the weekly close. If this is a shakeout, it will likely close back above $1.35. Is it going to close back above? I don't know. I don't care. I am not invested in this stock. We already pulled out of this stock. We're looking to re-enter. We have not done that just yet, and I'm not sure if we're going to do that, okay? But please have a strategy in these markets just in case it breaks down below the previous level of resistance, because if it breaks down below the previous level of resistance, and this is an official break below the previous level of resistance, we're just going to go back down to this green box area right here that we already discussed, $1.10. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. If it closes below $1.35, then the next level down would be $1.10. Can it break lower? Of course. Just have a strategy. Okay, simple. FLNT is next on the list. FLNT, we still have not. We have on one of the accounts, we are invested in FLNT with the contract, but I want to get loaded on FLNT. No, I don't like talking like that, because people start saying, "Oh, I'm gonna get loaded too." No, I'm gonna follow the sniper, guys. I get this stuff wrong. In fact, really quick, this is probably a waste of time, but I wanted to show you guys on the Tesla. We're gonna get into Tesla here in a second. The commenter High Soul, I think I said it right. He said, "Guys, now you know when both Napoleon and myself try to dip buy, run for the hills, LOL. Both NEO and Tesla would go down the moment we decide to dip buy." This is so hilarious. Excuse me. I'm still laughing about that. That's really funny. Did we get to Tesla? We're going to get to Tesla here in 1 second. We're almost there. Thank you for your time, guys. So FLNT, the level for FLNT, for me, my ideal buy-in for FLNT would be somewhere near the just over or just under $5.55, 581. I would definitely I would look at the charts, because I know people are going to twist and say, "You told me you loaded up. I loaded the boat too." I can talk like that, guys. My father's from the islands. I have a pass to do that, so relax. If it gets to that level, I'm going to crack open the charts and see how the candlesticks are developing to determine whether or not I need to enter this market very aggressively. So that's the previous level of resistance on FLNT. Is it going to get all the way down to 557? I highly doubt it, but be open to volatility. Execute your strategies. Let's carry on here. Mankind is looking very interesting. Mankind is almost reaching my overhead target at about $6.36. So the level for Mankind will be right there or somewhere near that level. At let's just pull it down to like let's say $5.42. So if Mankind can manage to stay above $5.42, and then Mankind as well, I'm not selling. I sold like a little bit of Mankind, but not because of the market's going down. I take profits while the market is going up. My target on Mankind, I'm not even sure if I'm going to sell there. I'm going to monitor the price action to see how it looks on when it gets up to if it gets up to the $6.36 level. We've been saying that target forever. I've been saying that target. I talk so much. I've been saying that target ever since it was all the way down to like $3, $6.68. Okay, it's not going to change. People keep asking me for an update. The targets are not going to change. All right, so you have the pretty much the range that it's in right now, $5.43 up to $6.38. Will it stay within this range? I'm not sure, guys. The markets are under pressure right now, so I'll give you the alternative level if it breaks down below 545. What did I say? Damn, such a short-term memory loss. 542. You can expect $4.74 if it breaks down below that level. Let's carry on. CTRM. We've been getting a lot of requests for this. So this is going to be, a lot of people are going to get shaken out of this position. And I actually sold a lot of stock. We actually own like maybe 20% left of our stock after buying in. We told everybody where we bought in. We were very open in where we buy. We don't show the accounts, but we bought in, I think it was like 40 cents. I don't remember, guys. We buy so many stocks. I don't know. I think it was like 40 cents. Wherever the video was where we posted, maybe if I look at the weekly. This is useless information, dude. Yeah, it was definitely like 40 or 50 or something like that. So STRM is in a very large range, 59 cents. I'm not saying it's going to get that low. I don't care if it gets that low. I'm most concerned with whether or not you are prepared for a move down that significant. You know what I mean? I'm concerned. I'm not necessarily concerned. I would much rather prefer you have a strategy to execute if the market goes against you that deep, right? Because let's just do a really quick measurement from the current level, right? If it's down already enough, it's down 17%, all the way down. It's another 40% to the downside. These are penny stocks. These are not easy to play. The weak hands will not survive in these markets. Please understand that. Okay, CTRM is in a very large range, 59 cents all the way up to $2.17. This level is actually $2.82. I know some are saying, dude, I watched your last video. It's $2.82. Yes, it's $2.82. This white line represents the actual target on when we posted the video at, I think it was like 33 cents. That is the target to officially put a cap on that video, because it's exactly 555% to the upside. And I was going to make a video saying that, because a lot of people say that our thumbnails are clickbaityish. I don't care if they're clickbaityish or not. They are very strategic. They're very beautiful. These stories that I go over, you respect them or not, I don't care. This is my journey. I'd love for you all to continue to join us here. But that would be the end of this play for us if it reaches up to $2.17, which I do think it will. I'm going to look at this as a buy-in opportunity if it gets back down to 59 cents. That's all I have for this. Let's go and continue to Tesla here. It's going to be like a 40-minute video. So Tesla, the last video that we posted, we said Tesla will likely go down to $6.55. I think it was like $6.55 or something like that. So obviously Tesla is very close to that level. That's a very beautiful call. We made a very beautiful video saying that Tesla is probably going to continue to the downside if Tesla didn't make an aggressive, like an obliteration of the overhead levels. If it didn't do that by this week, yeah. Tesla's not in a 3-month bullish cycle, guys, and we actually need to be very careful, because I have another target below 655. If Tesla gets below 655, yeah, $450 is the next target if Tesla gets below that. Tesla bullish, seriously. I have a gesture on my right hand right now. No, let's continue here. All right, so 655 must hold on Tesla, okay? And if it doesn't hold, then of course I have to revisit the charts and see what's truly going on in the charts here. Next up on the list, VISL. I know a lot of people need update on VISL. VISL is still perfectly confined in where we already said. Does it have the chance to break down below this green line? Of course. People want updates because they bought in up here probably at like $4.89, and then they're negative on their investment and they need an update. I have not touched. I'm diamond hand in this stock. We bought in at $1.21, I think, and we're waiting to average ourselves up. Soon as everybody start, saying, "Oh my God, you lied to us, Napoleon. This stock is not going to go up to $9. You're a crook. I'm about to fine you and sue you." Good luck. Come on. All right, and that's so weird talking like that, man. Guys, I'm not a tough guy. I'm just talking. Okay, I got to keep the energy going for those who come for entertainment, right? But the $3.40 level is right here. As long as it's above $3.40. I'm waiting for it to get down to that level so I can average up. So it's in a very large range, guys. This stock is going to shake you out of your position if you have weak hands. Just understand that, okay? I can't give any more updates. I'm going to give more updates on VISL because we're long this market, okay? And we're waiting to we're going to ride it up to those higher levels. I'm not going to give you the overhead targets. I would love for you to visit our video and listen in, take notes, and listen to the overhead targets. They're very extreme. But they're not random. I can assure you that. So hopefully you guys got the level. Hopefully I actually said it. I talked so much. $3.40 all the way up to $8.98. That is the range. Okay. This is going to make it before the market's open. I think people also need to revisit on IBIO. You don't really need an update. The last video that we posted, we said the practical level for it to go back down to as a test of the previous level of resistance is not guaranteed it's actually going to hold, but it's at $1 and $1 and what I say? I think I said $1.77. Yeah, so $1.77 right here. If the market gets down to that level, just be prepared. Execute your strategy. If you bought in above $2.40, I'm not sure what to tell you. Should you sell? I don't know. Okay, I bought in at $2.35. We're starting to scale in contracts, $2 contracts. This is as the closer it gets down to $1.77, I'll just buy another contract. We just have one contract for $2. I'm not sure when it expires, like June or whenever. I don't know. I don't care because I have a strategy and I'm always entering an amount that I'm comfortable with losing 100% of it. Okay. So please understand, guys, we're going to close it out here. I think this pretty much wraps up all the updates. Hopefully we get this out very quickly. Please rewind it back. Please take the time to revisit. Let me just go ahead and do this really quickly before we close it out here. So on our channel, if you go on our channel, you're going to see this. Thank you for your time, guys. I know this is like a super long video. Sorry, you're probably going to hear something. I'm going to pause it there. All right, so if you go to the channel, like the main page, you just go over, you type like, TSLA, like Tesla or whatever. And then you just hit search, and then it should populate right there. So that's how you find the videos on the channel. And I mean, it's pretty obvious at this point, right? IBIO, right? You get it. You just click it, search, and then it pops right up. So if you need to find your video, find that video, listen to the previous level of resistance or the potential support level that it's above. That's all you need to do. If you're freaking out there, that means you're overexposing these markets. This is going to sound very harsh. Unsubscribe from this channel if you are taking this as financial advice. If you think that I need your respect, I don't need your respect. The only thing that I ask for you wonderful folks, you beautiful folks, is to listen to the beautiful story that I talk to us, that I say behind the price action. That's all I ask. I don't have an email to contact me. I don't have any Weibo links. I'm not asking for a penny. I'm not asking for a fraction of a penny from any one of you. The only thing that I ask is that you give me your time, respect, and an open mind as well. If you don't have an open mind, seriously, kick rocks. All right. If you have an open mind, I'd love for you to continue to join us here as we continue on this journey. But if you don't have an open mind, yeah, this will never work. OK, this relationship. OK, and I do truly appreciate every single one of you who have an open mind, who is stuck with me, who continue to leave thank yous in the comment section. Who you guys, I'm not taking any requests right now. I have to put it. That's separate. I'll talk about that later. I thank you guys. We're going to cut it out here. Execute your strategies out there. The markets are about to open. Hopefully I get this out in time. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.